Third, it killed 33 people and injured more than 1,300 others. News Center 7 weather specialist Gil Whitney saved lives when he broke into programming to warn viewers about that tornado. It was part of a super outbreak in which 148 tornadoes hit 13 states. This Sunday at 6 o'clock, AM 1290 and News 95.7 WHIO is airing a special radio documentary titled Xenia 74, 9 Minutes in April. Be sure to tune in. Meteorologist McCall Vrydaghs was just pointing out we have some wet streets out there tonight.
Yeah, we've had occasional rain showers through this evening. We have a little lull for the most part in most of the viewing area, but that's going to change. We've got steadier rain that is moving back in. Temperatures still holding steady, though, in the 50s. We're going to watch a dramatic drop in those temperatures for your Saturday. Here's a live look in Urbana, and you can see those wet streets. No rain falling at this point in time. Take you over to live Doppler 7 radar, scanning the skies every 60 seconds, and you can see areas north and east of Dayton is where we've got the drier conditions. But here comes that next batch of rain moving in from the south and west. Rather steady, even moderate to heavy, just south of 7 Mile near Hamilton and Oxford in Butler County. Now, this line of steadier rain is lifting to the east-northeast, so likely going to be moving into Preble County and Darke County within the hour, eventually into Montgomery County and the city of Dayton as we look into the next hour or so as well. Big picture view, what's going on? You can see we've got this line of rain, as I just showed you, and then some breaks in the precipitation to the south and west. That will be brief, that break in the precipitation, because we've got even more rain that ushers in for Saturday. Area of low pressure is spawning all of this precipitation through parts of Missouri. On the backside, though, because this is all riding along a cold front, there is cold enough air meeting up with the moisture that snow is falling in parts of Nebraska. Snow is not out of the question for us in the Miami Valley on Saturday, so I'll show you when it may move in. Futurecast shows those showers moving through right now. There's that brief little lull during your overnight hours. Then more rain showers by 8 o'clock in the morning. Each of these showers that come on in do bring in the chances for some embedded heavier rain and gusty winds. Saturday morning, late morning to about midday, there may even be a few rumbles of thunder. There's 10 a.m. on Futurecast. Lunchtime, off and on showers. Then another batch of rain moves in by around 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon and really picks up in intensity by around 7 o'clock. Look at this. We've got a lot of orange and red on Futurecast, indicating that rain picking up and being quite steady during that time frame. Also, winds are going to be a factor for our day tomorrow. We've got some strong southerly winds in the morning. This is when we could see some embedded thunderstorms gusting up around 25 miles an hour. But notice what happens around 2 o'clock. We start to see a more northwesterly wind flow taking over, cooler and blustery conditions by the time 7 o'clock rolls around. Watch what that does to our temperatures. In the morning, we wake up in the mid-50s. There's 8 a.m. 2 o'clock, you can see the cold air coming in with that northwesterly wind, and we're back through the 40s into the 30s by Saturday night. There's 7 o'clock again. Watch what happens at 8 o'clock. We start to introduce the chances for some light snow showers, and by 11 p.m., we're changing over to some light scattered snow, perhaps a coating to half an inch if you get a good burst of snow, or if we switch over a little bit sooner. Much cooler on Sunday, 40 degrees. It will feel like the 30s because of the breeze that's still in place. Plenty of sunshine, though. Really a fantastic week next week. Each day will get progressively warmer. We're back into the 60s for Wednesday and Thursday.
Somebody in the Miami Valley just won $1 million, and they may not even know it. Who sold the winning ticket and what the winner could be doing right now?
WHIO, serving the Miami Valley for 70 years.